Hi, how you doing? Cliff here with Park Journey, and this is Mardi Gras Hangover. Yes, it is the world's biggest Larson Looper. Looping coaster? Not really a coaster. Is it fun? Yes. Oh my gosh. Very comfortable, and this is themed as a carnival ride in the Mardi Gras Carnival. Oh yeah! The theming is very well. At the end of July, they will be having Mardi Gras parades, fireworks until mid-August, and the whole party's going to be going on. Look for that at Six Flags Great America, and this won't leave you hanging. Oh, wait a minute. Yes, it will. The beautiful view, about 5 seconds, more than that, of hang time. Really nice. Oh, the G-force. It may not be a coaster, but it is a world of fun. A world of fun. Whee! Oh, the G-force is starting to kick in now. Put it all together, it's a good ride. Start to slow. Oh, no, there's the G-force. Riding Hangover with a hangover might not be a good idea, but if I can do it, yeah, maybe I'm. You love it. Very good time. Cliff with Park Journey. Glad you all were with me. Have a good time. And that's a wrap. Very good ride. Come out and ride it. I think it opens in 2 days. They still have a lot of work to do on the queues. Other than that, it's a good ride. Six Flags Great America in Gurnee, Illinois, near Chicago. Yeah, for everybody else, it might be hard to get here, but get here. It's worth it. Thank you.